Hello everyone, and welcome back to the course. In this lecture, the focus will be on automating repetitive tasks using Microsoft Copilot. In this session, a sales dataset that is updated daily will be used. The goal is to automate the analysis and visualization process so that repetitive steps are no longer required whenever new data is added. The sales data is divided into two parts. The first part is in Sheet 1, and the second part is in Sheet 2. The dataset covers the year 2023, with each month containing data from day 1 to the last day of the month, up to the 31st. The data runs through March, with the second part of March separated into Sheet 2. The focus now is on automating tasks for analysis and visualization. Copilot will be used to summarize total sales by region and product. The task has been completed, and Copilot suggests adding the results to a new sheet. This raises the question of whether the process is automatic. In other words, if new data is added to the table, will the results update automatically? Upon review, the answer is no. The reason is that these values are simply inserted. They are not linked or referenced. In other words, there is no connection between these values and the table in Sheet 1. If the values from Sheet 3 are taken and added to Sheet 1, it is important to note any errors or changes. After increasing the table and inserting the values in Sheet 1, the data is updated there. However, the values in Sheet 3 remain unchanged, which confirms that this process is not automated. The goal is to have an automated system where any updates to the data also refresh the values and the associated chart automatically. The next step is to ask Copilot to automate the process. First, all previous work is removed to start fresh. Copilot is then prompted to make the process automatic. An initial attempt does not yield the desired result, so the prompt is revised. The new instruction specifies that the process should be automated, so that when new data is added to the table, the summary above is updated as well. This prompt is sent to see if Copilot can execute it correctly. Copilot initially indicates that it still does not understand the request. The prompt is then refined to specify that the pivot table and chart should update automatically whenever new data is added to the original sheet. This time, Copilot begins providing responses, which is a positive development. The instructions include converting the data into a table, which has already been completed. The next step is to create a pivot table by selecting any cell within the table. To create the pivot table, go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table dialog, ensure that the table named AgTable1 is selected as the data source. Choose either a new worksheet or an existing worksheet for the location, then click OK. Set up the pivot table by dragging region to the rows area and product to the columns area. Drag total to the values area and ensure it is set to sum. Next, tap Insert to create a table, confirming it as Table 1. Once the table setup is complete, specify that it should be placed in a new worksheet and add the data to the data model. Copilot instructs to drag region to the rows area, product to the columns area, and total to the values area, ensuring that it is set to sum. Following these steps, region is placed in rows, product in columns, and total in values. Once confirmed as sum, the setup is complete. The resulting pivot table displays the same values as in Sheet 4, indicating that the process was executed correctly. Does this solve the problem? Not yet. The next step is to ensure automatic updates. To do this, a chart linked to the pivot table needs to be created. Select the pivot table, go to the Insert tab, and choose a chart type, such as a column chart or bar chart. This chart will be connected to the pivot table, allowing it to update automatically. After navigating to Insert, the desired chart type is selected. In this case, a column chart or bar chart is chosen, producing a visual representation that reflects the pivot table data. The chart has been added, and the focus now is on automating the process. Copilot suggests two methods. The first is to right-click the pivot table and select Refresh once new data is added. This method is tested by copying and pasting new data. Initially, nothing changes, but after right-clicking the pivot table and selecting Refresh, the pivot table and chart update correctly. The second method to ensure automation is by using formulas. Copilot can be asked directly to generate a formula that keeps the pivot table updated automatically. Here it is. A formula can be generated for the pivot table to summarize sales data by region and product. While a pivot table has already been created, the goal now is to have a formula that achieves the same summary automatically. The formula is provided, and the next step is to copy it. A new sheet, Sheet 5, is selected to paste the formula. Once pasted, the table now contains referenced values. This table can be converted into a proper table format. Since the values are already present and match the previous tables, no additional adjustments are needed. The next step is to test whether the formula works correctly. To do this, the relevant data is copied and inserted into the editor for verification. In Sheet 1, the data is pasted, and upon returning to Sheet 5, it is automatically updated. To proceed, a step back is taken to address an issue caused by an empty row, and then Sheet 5 is revisited. Next, a table is inserted, followed by a 2-bar chart. The chart is now displayed, showing totals and other relevant data. The final step is to verify whether the chart updates automatically as the table is updated. The same process is repeated. Data is copied and pasted. Upon returning, the updates are reflected automatically. The table now extends further, reaching 300, whereas previously it only reached around 250. This demonstrates that the table and the chart are both automatic. Any new data added to the table updates everything automatically. This example illustrates how Copilot enables automation of tasks that would otherwise be repetitive. I hope this lecture was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session.